with the left shoulder joint is to have appropriate range of motion. And for us to achieve that range of motion, you want enough lubrication and enough control in the arm for you to have total control of the way how you want to use the arm. So in this case, we have a little bit of stiffness because of a frozen shoulder, which is a capsular stiffness of the joint. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to secrete more synovial fluid into the joint. The way we do that is we do a special glide where you push your humeral head, which is your mid-arm bone, straight back. It allows the humeral head to position back to where it belongs, because when we're walking, doing your day-to-day activities, sitting, we have a tendency to bring the shoulder blade forward, and that brings the joint out of the very little out of the position. So we want to put it back into the place. We want to mobilize it and secrete the synovial fluid.